Do you want to know why I am successful as an internet marketer? There is just one thing that I have to say to you: bonuses. And I've got the world's biggest collection of bonuses available for you. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Giant Ebook Kit. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the top, by the way, if you are not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. Yeah, my jokes, they're really, really bad. I know. They're dad jokes, basically. And even though I'm not a dad, I have 3 cats, but no kids. I may as well be a dad. One of my cats is right here, wants to say hello to everybody and say how much she likes my jokes, even though she thinks that they're stale as well. She's also sniffing my hat. Yeah, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart, seriously, it's getting annoying. All right, it's enough. Okay, the guy is relentless. He used to come into every single one of my videos. He finally gave up, and now he's back again. Could you believe this guy? If you're new to the channel, the way these work here, if I like the part, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. You know, she used to be a fellow New Yorker. I no longer live in New York. I bought a house in a small town in Western Pennsylvania. We're really, really happy here. But you know what? Just for the sake of the old town, I can still give Liz a pass, even though she says the same thing every single day. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. If you thankfully subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Giant Ebook Kit from my friend Trevor Card. Now, Trevor actually is somebody that I have a great affinity for. Trevor is the reason that I got started in this industry. I did my very first product launch together with him and Bobby Dolce, and it was a huge success. It was Local Video Jackpot. And it's thanks to him that I really got my start in this industry and got to build my business, which is responsible for pretty much everything I have today. And this thing is really, really special. Basically, you're going to get download links. There's no real members area. You're going to get download links to 3,000 ebooks. I'll show you a sample of one of them in just a moment. Before I do that, though, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because, as always, I do have the best custom bonus, the most relevant custom bonus. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you my personal guide to customizing PLR. Nobody else has this. I created it myself. I'm going to tell you how I take PLR, customize it, and make it my own so that it looks unique. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm also going to give you 25 ebook covers that are high-end ebook covers that you can actually customize. I'm going to show you where to do it for free. You can customize them in a couple of minutes and create your own ebook covers so that you take these ebooks that you're buying and you can actually make them look like a unique thing with your own ebook covers that nobody's going to have. Okay, this is exclusively from me. This is only for me. Plus, I'm also going to show you how to get this whole thing for $7.95. That's right, $7.95. So first, let me go ahead and quickly show you a sample. I believe we have one here. Yes. So here's a sample of one of the ebooks. I just downloaded a random one. Okay, I had to find out how to turn a few days into financial windfall. And basically, it's an ebook. You're going to be able to give these away. I'm going to show you in my custom guide how to customize these, as well as you're going to get 25 custom ebook covers that you can actually customize to make this look better. I mean, this ebook cover is kind of plain looking, to be perfectly honest. You're going to be able to customize these things on your own. You're going to be getting all of the materials here. This is one of the downloads I just did. Okay, you can see here. You get the covers here, obviously, but these are all PNG, so you can't customize these. The ones I'm giving you can actually customize. You're going to get the customizable things that you can edit on the free website. I'm going to show you how to use. And of course, you have the ebook right over here, and you do have the docx, which is important because that means you can go ahead and open it with any document editor. Most people use Microsoft Word. I personally use a free document editor. I don't like to waste money, and frankly, it's perfectly acceptable for what I need. But you can use whatever you have. If you're on Mac, you can actually use the built-in system. And I think even on Windows, they have something that's built in that would do the job of editing these ebooks and pasting in your own coverage, which again, you're going to get custom ebook covers from me. Okay, now I do want to show you how to get it for $7.95 right now. If you check the price, it's going to be $12.95. But all you do is try to edit, try to exit, and you're going to see this. Enter 5 off ebook. It's also on my website. Use that, and it's going to be $7.95 instead of $12.95 for this entire package. Okay, for $7.95, you're going to be able to get 3,000 ebooks that you can give away, sell, use as bonus. Plus, you're going to get my custom bonus with the 25 ebook covers. Okay, pick up any upgrade, and I'm going to bump that to 100 ebook covers instead of 25. Plus, you're going to get my custom guide to customizing PLR. So let's see if I am going to give a tip to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this a lot. I think it's great. Grab this one. You are going to love this.